Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Meet the 721s. Today I'm going to be explaining how I changed the sway bar bushings, those original bushings or OEM bushings, replace them with new ones. So here I dropped the entire subframe just to get easy access. If I didn't want to remove the control arms bracket, so what I did is just remove the steering rack, and then it was an easy way to get the sway bar off. So yeah, it was kind of seized, but a little playing and a little forcing, I was able to get him off. And here I'm going to explain to you more or less what I went through with him. Yeah, that's pretty much correct. The back is what upgradable. The front, once you remove this here, there's no way this could detach from each other. Look, if it could only focus. I don't know why it didn't want to focus. But anyway, you see this thing here? This thing got metal in it. That's a bushing. Okay? It comes in two pieces. Okay? This here doesn't separate. Okay? Now we focus and you see it doesn't separate. So now in order for me, even if I get these new, which I found them new, for me to get them in here, right, to go inside of that thing there, that metal piece of sway bar, it's practically impossible. So that is why they just tell you that this part here is not serviceable. You have to change by the whole entire sway bar, which I'm not going to do. I'm sorry. I mean, I find in second-hand sway bars for $60, but it defeats the point because sooner or later I'm going to have to change it. These things ain't no good. They're crushed. They're no good at all. And what happening? The rubber itself is gummy. So no matter what you do, when this thing goes on, it's tight. So what I've been seeing is that they've been separating these two pieces here. In order for you to get the OEM bushings back in, you have to separate these two pieces here. So which means I gotta figure out a way to cut. Because this here, yeah, this thing is threaded straight through. So I gotta find a way to cut it in order for me to separate both pieces, so that when I put it back now, I can actually put it back. So these are the bushings that I ordered off of eBay, and that's the part number as you can see there. And yes, I was able to separate the parts and then get them going. Here I'm just showing you a few parts that I changed along the way. Unfortunately, I was not able to videotape. I just did not remember to pull out the GoPro. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.